Hey there, fabulous dancer. Today I am super excited to take you through a combination from my brand new drum solo choreography. In this video, I'm going to show you all of the technique that you need to create this combination safely and effectively, and we are going to set it to music. Are you ready for this? Let's do it. My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. So I've created this super fun drum solo choreography, and I love it so much that I wanted to share a tiny little sample of it with you. So today I'm going to take you through the technique, and we're going to build the combination. I think you are really going to enjoy it. I consider this drum solo to be sort of a beginner-intermediate, like beginner-intermediate level drum solo. But if there's any technique here that is not familiar to you, I will definitely lead you to a video on my channel where you can find out even more detail about how to perform it. So let's go ahead and dive in. We are going to begin, the first technique bit that we need for this combination is an ami in the counterclockwise direction. So when I say ami, coming from our basic beautiful belly dance posture, the ami knees are soft and we are doing this interior hip circle, right? The way I like to think about breaking it down is a lift in the right, tuck in the lower pelvis, lift in the left, and a gentle release to the back. So we are going counterclockwise in this combination. Knees have to be nice and soft. You have to really utilize those lower abdominal muscles, right? And the knees are what's creating the up and down. So thinking about this as being internal, right underneath you, has a lot of angularity to it. So this is the ami. And we're going to be doing a couple of these, but let's go ahead and drill them for just a moment. And then I'm going to show you what comes after this. So we're going to do those amis counterclockwise. Then we're going to come up in releve and we're going to be doing little twists. Twist. So you see I'm releasing that right foot, twisting that right hip forward by changing my weight. Right, left, right, left. So I'm twisting that right hip forward. It then goes back so that I can twist forward again. And I'm in releve up on my toes the whole time. Yeah, as I do this, I'm going to turn myself around. So you're twisting the right hip and allowing that momentum to turn you to the left. Yeah? So when this puts all together, we're going to be doing 2 counterclockwise amis. That's going to take 4 counts, and then 2 twists that are going to take 4 counts to take you to the back. So the count is going to be that ami starts on the right and goes around to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 7, 8. It's ami, ami, releve, twist, twist. You're going to come back down flat-footed, and in theory, you're facing away from me now, so just go ahead and turn around so you can see me again. Yeah, we're facing the back. Let's just pretend. We're going to do some big hip hits. So these are just bend the knee, shut the car door kind of hip hits. You're going to widen the stance a bit so that you can really shift your weight. And the trick to getting these hip hits to be nice and big is the preparation, right? If you do not go down, the up doesn't look as big because honestly, the up is just neutral. We're not coming up to here. We're not coming up. We're just coming to neutral from lower. So I want you to think plie, bam, plie, bam. That big bend is what's going to allow you to create that hip lift. And then you get bonus points for squeezing the glutes, which is going to give you a little more power, right? Hit, 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 hit. Exactly. So when we do this in the combo, our arms are going to come up into what I like to call it lazy woman's 5th position. I'm in 5th position. I'm just kind of hanging out here. So I kind of hold one hand with the other hand. And we're going to do right, left, right. Bam, 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 right? You might get kind of a little twist in it too. It's cool if you want to do that. Bam, bam, bam. Or if you want to do it straight to the sides, whatever feels good to you is fine by me, right? So let's do this now, turning around on the back, and know that you're going to do that right, left, right when you face the back. So we're going 7, 8. It's ami, ami, twist, twist, right, left, right. Yeah, so I come out of that releve into the right, left, right, kind of all at the same time. Then we're going to complete our turn back around with just those twists. The exact same right-sided hip twist that we did going to the back, we'll do those to go to the front as well. So we just went right, left, right, and we are going to shift your weight to the left so that you can twist, twist, and then same idea, coming down right, left, right. So that twist, twist, right, left, right repeats itself. Once to the back, once to the front. So once again, we did ami, ami, twist, twist, right, left, right. Then twist, twist, right, left, right. How's that going? Let's try that one more time. 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Is that working out for you? Awesome job. Okay, so that's the hard part. We're going to just come out into this combination with 12 counts of very enthusiastic clapping. This happens all the time in belly dance drum solos, where like a new rhythm begins and the drummers are just holding down the rhythm and there's like not much else going on. They're just kind of holding down the rhythm and establishing it before going into the solo on top. And my favorite thing to do in those moments is to take a breather, because this is from the middle of the solo, yeah? And get the audience involved. So just start clapping, get everybody excited, right? Something's about to happen. It's a party. Come with me. And now here we go, right, into the movement. So we're going to have 12 counts of clapping. I invite you to make it your own. Walk around, pretend you're dancing for someone. I'll dance for you. And it's going to be kind of bouncy, right? So we're not doing this, right? We're not walking around like we're, heading to the kitchen to get a snack. We're going to walk around like it's fun, yeah? So when I walk, I get a little bit of a bounce. So find your own personal swagger, yeah? Find your bounce. And you're going to be clapping to the beat, which is somewhere in between those two tempos I just established with my random clapping, yes? So we're going to get 12 counts of that. When you're done with the 12 counts, make sure you're in your position wherever you want to be into our combination, yeah? So let's see. If we're going about to, let's try it a couple of times here without the music, and then we'll try it with the music. So it's going to be about 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. It's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ami and twist and twist and right, left, right. Again, it's twist and right, left, right. Yes. Let's do that one more time. Yeah. 5, 6. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ami, twist, twist, right, left, right. Again is twist, right, left, right. Nice job. Let's do it with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! Nice job. Let's do that again, shall we? Yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do it one more time. Give me some energy and emotion, yeah? Here we go. 5, 6, here we go. Awesome. Nice job, fabulous dancer. How did that go? I want to hear from you. And if you practice this little combo to music, I want you to take a video, put it on social media, and tag me at Sahira Belly Dances so that I can cheer you on. I absolutely love teaching drum solos. And if you are watching this video close to the release date, I want you to keep your eyes open for something special coming your way. Perhaps a new drum solo that you could join me for in the not too distant future. Either way, I really appreciate you being here. Thank you for sharing the dance floor with me, and I look forward to dancing with you very soon.